asemo ensem de bi sisi o ensem sisi na yesi ensem sisi wo Ghana nso afege African some of the African countries ni de ebi kra wuti a Nigeria for kra de se wo de bia akoye se mo na ensem akese na mudi na ye da so na akwentu emu nsem bebre and so still ebi mo apese o whether they don't have the funds to go so then quite be on person fast we be come and ye mo now so enye obia na ntie ye say one for plane and now one for visa ticket and two kwai no offer the other means are surviving che bia na Libya kwentu sem yi eba for mo na desert so e ko Libya fa ko Italy ni other big countries e ko ye ebi wu okwan so ebi nsu de bebre ona e fast away so e di tutu kwan sa na meni nyina ye niema ye keka ho nsem a ye bre niema sa niema na se bi wo ha mali na mali fo ya kwakohia okwan so ebi obi timi de sika sebi obi timi de sika ehye de tru mu enso mali fo yi bebo woni ya de sika ya ehye ewura na tu pa de yi dollars na fi hono thinking say oh baby I mean actually they do a profile nya de obi so ogwa eyo modwuma mo ye nti they have the experience in it pa we do another day I dey ahye dem aye anoye say ko ye be insert ahye ko yi dollar now we and Nigerian guys be about 4 or 5 guys I say almost say hardship ekoso wo Nigeria anya de omo betimi atena kroni mu bi wenu nti omo be tubata akobe bia akobo brand apebibia di edibia bro mo busuafo na omo so ya yo organic chief yi bia na omo de kwan omo de omo fa so na omo de stowaway no enya ship ni no omo ka akotena omo stowaway ni e different omo so a omo fa desert so anamani no ma be no omo de se kan ro omo to anaze omo nsu ya ko sa desert so no omo ni ma wo na omo de ni se ship a airport no asie na esi nsuo ne so no kwan bi da asie ye di pictures ne ebeto ho no na mahwe asie na esi nsuo ne so achese uti mu se bebi omo te kro mo twe omo nsem a omo sakra ebetimi aka nsuo no eno eho na mrantie enan yi chese yodi eni mu kra de uti mu se oye oti ho no with a full confidence but he is really confident with where he is sitting he's seated at other ones and so papunso we chi ono so uti so ono de otwi na de hu ye hu se bebi okofa na wo bede no nto ofa like ofa jacket winter jacket obehye other ones dey dey say na omo hye da ni akwantu ni bebi omo kwakotena na wono mo nsem bi si to ma fa jackets omo behye na wo hwe bebi a omo tsepa se omo tsena ho no mo e de etu kwan afa nsuo so e de akọ oman foforo so akwa akodi djuma aden enkwa hu hia o na se mrantie no omo anwe omo nkwa ho kiti say na so omo tin so anse anye yi akwa bodu bebi omo ko ship ni si nsuo ni so a e ko na obi notice se bibi nkoyie na aseme hu bibi wase ho no mo bi ade nso e besi wona bibi sa eni ho enti no ye fifi no eja okuta sharp camera na odi microscope ehwe ho no mu se nipa emrantia ketinka enan na te shape nine na so si nsuo ni ko si nsuo a nsuo so a airport na otwa picture no de koma authorities na ewo port ho no ma te say nyame ando mo ma stop ship no stop see kwan from going to wherever they were going to now when na ebimu ebimu actually on my social media ebimu say obi say this guy seems to be very confident in whatever motivated him to embark on this trip and I'll say he just balanced like Balenciaga of bold dude and obi also say see my people tender fire anyone that wants Nigeria to continue existing. Assembly. Obi also the only way I see this guy surviving is 1%. One, before the ship goes deep, They jump into the water and cry for help, and someone on the ship sees them too. They have someone on the ship that will pull them up with a rope or salt. Yeah, with a rope or salt. If not, the cold alone will kill them. Obisu said too much African magic Yoruba. Obisu say if this kind ones get money, I no go blame them if they stingy. I just say, oh no, sani omu kwan omu fa so dey akọ. Omu efa so e di nyasika, omu koye yie na so omu ye stingy na omu ti mu eye den so omu be ma afefo a on blame omu. Obisu say I swear God, bro, especially that manchi way cap for front. And said your tea na make us say or confidence or confidence will be or no. Obisu see if this kind ones get money, okay, it's the same person. I don't go blame them. Obisu see I'm not sure they're gonna make it. I spent 7 days under a timber loaded vessel. Hey. And it looked like death already. I was so tiny on day 7, since I lived on a handful of gari per day. Those guys won't make it. But you did, you made it. So why are you saying those guys won't make it? Anyways, Obisu said, boss, please, where were you headed? Where were you headed? And I said, Obisu say they are below the waterline. This means that every part of the ship with the color brown will go down as soon as the ship gets to the deep ocean. No life jackets, Lloyd. I tried not to laugh though, but can't help it. This picture is scary and sad. Before man settled for this kind suicide mission, just know his eyes have seen stuff his mouth can't explain. God, please don't make my way of survivor difficult. And Tina just said, and somebody there, we bring a bit more a church or on my just said, and answer to another say, baby, a man here and seven. A baby, so you'll be kind. Oh, she couldn't do deep sea one ebeko nsuo ni mu kra chese omuti kra enti ni pienti. Why go sit at that particular place? Ana obi nso eche mu say bia no mu wo bi omu ni mo bi wo ship ni mu nti no ship no ekwa waka cho so de ahoma ebeba be sen ho no mafo akọ inside ebi nso ana ye o manwe ne say omudu baby na say ho ye deep ana so ayi ni start say ekwa omu be huri esi nsuo ni mu no ma tiente mu for help na obi wo ship ni man stop ya rescue omu ato ship ni mu de o ma fa ko baby a omu pa ko na che say ebi mu opinions na me di kan ekenkan man no adofo emu asemu won wa papa pe mu so o shie papa me so mo pese mu tu kwan a mu fa the rightful place. Our lives are important. Yes, our lives are important, and they're important to you. It is important to someone or your family or your wife or your children or your siblings. Intimacy, mama yefa kwan papa so emfen to kwan. Midi any akosuya kokua answer kosuya subscribe to your YouTube channel. Neja with comment or comment section. Now Facebook follow you on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. Fe that's any message here.